Dark chocolate hidden power lower obesity and diabetes risk. Polyphenols, which have been found to reduce hunger and control blood sugar levels, are rich in this dark chocolate. Many of us attempt to avoid particular foods in our diets, either for weight-related or health-related reasons. One such food that is heavy in fat and sugar is chocolate. On the other hand, recent studies indicate that consuming dark chocolate may provide some surprising health benefits. According to a study published in Food Bioscience, a certain kind of molecule in many plant-based meals may naturally reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity. This substance, referred to as polyphenols, has a bitter flavor and is present in cocoa. Dark chocolate often contains higher concentrations of polyphenols than milk chocolate. Polyphenols have an affinity for the type 2 taste receptors TYR2, which are the tongue's bitter taste receptors. Researchers at the Shibora Institute of Technology in Japan have discovered that the activation of TYR in the gastrointestinal tract due to polyphenols results in the release of hormones that may help reduce an individual's risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. More precisely, the researchers found that the gastrointestinal tract's TYR is activated by polyphenols, which produce cholecystokinin CCAK and other gastrointestinal hormones and incretins like GLP-1. It is well recognized that GLP-1 and CCAK both contribute to blood sugar regulation and hunger reduction. The gastrointestinal hormones are known to regulate feeding behavior and maintain glucose tolerance via the endocrine and nervous systems. Thus, the bitterness of polyphenols may help to reduce the risk of diabetes and its complications through TYR activation, Shibora Institute professor Naomi Osakabe said in a media release. The results imply that consumed polyphenols, even if not digested, stimulate the release of gastrointestinal hormones by binding to bitter taste receptors expressed on the secretory cells of the digestive system, controlling hunger and blood sugar.